car, bro. Alright, first gen Celica. Malaysian muscle. GTR Hakoska Gen 1. Hakoska, this is great grandfather to the GTR we have today. Awesome build. Watanabe's for sure. Awesome, dude. Just realized this thing even has a Japanese license plate, which I think should be legal in Malaysia. Lancer Evo as well, thing 9. Carrera 964. It's all its glory, dude. Wow, Lord. Does have an iconic movie, that's for sure.
Okey, kita akan kembali bawah yang membawa anak-anak sudah pastikan anak-anak anda dalam kemana kanak-kanak saja malah dewasa juga kita nak pesan.
This might look like a, normal Corolla, nothing deceiving about the car, but hey, who said you can't mismatch, eh? That's not 20 under the hood. Yeah, that's pretty good. This is a typical 80s Corolla. But what's so different about this? Hey, it's a typical one, There's some Japanese relics in it. But hey, man's got a 32 rear end. Wow. I was surprised how it fits, but hey, it made it work. So that's 1973 mini pickup. Wow, this thing is really small, very small. For a guy that's 6 foot, this thing does barely hit my crotch. This is 70s interior at its prime. Wow, look at that dash right in the middle, just like in the way for both driver and passenger. Wow. First gen Celica, 1974. It is said that this is the Malaysian muscle. Super interesting, because we did not get any muscle cars in the 70s. Bro, you shouldn't be here. The event name is called Retro Havoc, and you are in 2007. But hey, it does look cool. Yeah, it does have a place in here. 86 is really the drift legend, and this is, bro. They took 86 and made it race car style, bro. Look at those wheels, completely stripped. Even though no driver's seat, hey, it works, bro. For a guy who works at Porsche, bro, I do not know what gen this is. But the only thing I know, oh, damn hips! What as hell? The GR Yaris, bro. This thing is done up right, so this thing actually looks not bad. And of course, we got our Honda NSX. It's all from glory. Beautiful, bro, from every angle. The first gen NSX is where it's at. Holy shit. Look at this thing. This thing is a real time capsule from the 80s. That tail light too, it's different. FDRX7 in all its glory. Gotta say, I appreciate that they kept the pop-up headlights after whiteboarding the car, and of course it does have a Phantom kit. Rocket Bunny represent. Cool wheels though, gotta say. S15, bro. Down in the midnight purple, the carbon hood. You know what? I understand why it's called the Mona Lisa of drifting. Bro, this thing looks hype as hell. Especially those tails though. Can never ever say that's a bad booty. Toyota Corolla KE35, if I'm not mistaken. This is the original tuner car in Malaysia back in the 70s and 80s. Like, wow, this thing, of course, period correct. What's a novice, bro? Let's go. S14 Koki. I was like, yeah, I really can't tell the difference, bro. I'm not that good, but to eat a sell, that's for sure. And of course, we got a pair of D1GE cars, a Supra, and an S15. This thing looks clean. You know, these cars are right off the track, bro. You can say that with a mixed match wheels. Of course. These guys is like, fuck, just bring the car, bro. It'll give you enough attraction. You don't need it. Cool car nonetheless. That being said though, I do remember watching this guy race this car. I forgot what his name was, but wow. This thing does drift. We got the drift daddy himself. Wow. 200 SX baby. Full race spec and ready to drift. God damn. I see you're into Datsun pickups. 80s? Oh, sorry? You mean the 70s? Oh, we have that too. Wow. Super clean engine bay, bro. God damn. Look at that. Holy shit. Who said you can't make an old Datsun look pretty, bro? Huh? Even the heart's clean, bro. That's where it counts. Wow. Of course, a super clean S15. And of course, massive wheels and on the bloody ground, bro. You never go wrong with that. Wow. This thing was the second gen Skyline, the Ken Mary generation. But hey, you can never go with a four-door Skyline, bro. I really hope they made four-door Skylines now. But this thing really does have its own charm, even though it's not desirable. It's four doors, but hey, it's cool. I would like to think that I'm not a Mercedes person, but hey, you're making it full black and slap it on some massive wheels? Hey, that's all you need, right? Big wheels and just slam it on the ground? Any car looks desirable. And it's four-door. Now this is a car you don't see a lot. This is a Nissan Corona from, of course, you guessed it, the late 80s. Oh my lord, this thing is great, dude. I like this car. This thing is low, long, and with mini wheels. Yeah, this thing actually rocks pretty good. You come to a JDM event, of course, there's Itasha baby. You got Sakura, of course, in my opinion, the weakest character in the whole series, but hey, you do you, bro. You know, I would call this as clean, but bro, this is a different type of clean. Street? Hell no, not even close. But track? Fuck yes. I know this is an all-car event, but holy shit, I was not expecting a TVR. Straight from the Queensland? Hell, this thing does look bizarre in person, bro. I saw this thing on videos and I was like, whoa, that's bizarre. Huh. Fuck videos, bro. It's bizarre even in the... Look at that red, bro. What the hell? That's a real design choice by someone. Alright. Of course, we got a van. This thing's so cute. Oh my god, even has a raise on it. Hey, can't say, bro. It does have a full-size pad at the back. This thing will and did rival the Subaru Sandbar of that time. So Ludwig, hey, hey, hey. Now these weird little things are called Honda motorcar. And these things came with the Honda City at the back. It actually fits in the trunk snug, and you can actually drive anywhere you want after you park your car. You have like a second mobile vehicle right behind you. It's cool, man. Wow, look at what I found. Bro, when I thought I saw everything, no. It's a Honda Civic Shuttle. Wow. Photos on the back. Hey, for a father who wants to have a Civic hatchback, bro, it's a great deal, you know? Yeah, the whole Honda Civic shebang with photos and a hatch, bro. Now this is a Honda inside. It came out pretty boring, not gonna lie. But wide fenders, big wheels. Maybe can fix anything. Hey, look at this thing. Wow. Toyota Land Cruiser. Looks like an absolute beater. But that modified though, goddamn. I have no idea what this is, but it does look hella good. Oh my, I think I just stepped into Civic Town. Oh my lord, look at that. Civic? A Civic? Hatchback, of course. Oh, really? What are you? Hey, can you step up, please? Alright, another one. Another one. Wow. This is just wow. This is even a station wagon, bro. Yeah. Another one. Such cool black, white scheme. I do like that. And whoa. Among all the Civics, I did not think I would meet a first gen Civic. Oh wow. Or City. I don't know. My Honda, we're not there yet, okay? I'll be there soon. Alright, this thing looks hella fine. Just like it did back in the day. Maybe not that back though, but hey, the best part is a fan from that generation. The coolest part about the car is the fan. Hey, as long as it matches the generation, we cool. Wow, it's beautiful. This came out at the peak of 80s, as you can see, is a Nissan Laurel. You know, even I didn't know what it was because of, I don't know, those tiny wheels and massive fenders. Yeah, and of course you guessed it, it's done up in the Bozoku style. Wow. Who knew in Malaysia you can find a car like this, bro? Thing looks absolutely fine. And hey, not mad at all. Alright, so right next to the other Bozoku car is another Laurel. Of course, mini wheels. This is the guys from up in Star Park. This is pretty far away. But hey, massive exhaust, small wheels, and oh, great detail though. These were very popular in the 90s. These things can light up, and having big sound is obviously a part of being Bozoku, am I right? Wow, supercar. The more I see these cars, they are growing on me, bro. And this thing is wide. And holding true to the Bozoku, got them wide wheels. Wow, this thing is clean, bro. Oh, especially look, it's blue. Wow, in person it looks so black with the glitter as well. It's such a great paint effect. Wow. Alright, I'm not proud of filming this car only because it has underglow, but please bring underglow back. We need underglow, it looks so good. Daddy, where are you? Oh shit, your hot dad is right here, bro. Now this is what I call a Daihatsu van. Every man's walking truck. But oh well, I guess not. This thing ain't going nowhere, bro. This thing's on the floor as hell. This thing has about an inch gap in between the floor and the car, but of course this thing is on air, so, and I don't even know what it is. It's like a go-kart mixed with motorbike, a motorcar, and wow, yeah, I'd like to know who's the owner of this thing. Super full-on Bozoku style with a massive wing, massive splitter at the front. Oh my god, this thing. Hey, you want to be in Japan? It's probably the closest thing you got. And of course, we got an R33, bro. It actually looks really clean, really nice. I'm not sure if it's a GTR or a GTST, but hey, either way, it's absolutely wonderful. Now this is something I fuck with. Now this is a Nissan Bluebird, and wow, this thing was done up right. It's great wheel fitment, I gotta say, and clean overall, you know. Such a clean build that I don't even know what to say about it. Interior, super clean. Yeah. All the best to the guy who did this car. Can't find the owner though. Really appreciate I could meet him. And of course we got a bunch of Mercedes from the 80s and 90s. I don't know this cars though. Hope I did. So I could give an actual explanation on what I'm saying. But I don't know. It's cool. It's a Mercedes. And we got an old one. Real old one. I don't even know. 70s? Gotta guess 70s though. Hey, they say when you become a car guy, you gotta sacrifice relationships, bro. Who needs a relationship when you can have a wheel in your passenger side? Like, come on, man. Who needs a girl, huh? Just throw on a wheel, should be fine, you know? Same thing. Please save me. This is the true 70s tuner car in Malaysia. The Datsun 120Y. Datsun, this is basically what's called the cheap man's BMW. The poor man's BMW. This thing really does have the charm. How small it is though for 4 doors. Cute car. Alright, so this is a Proton Vera. This is the true pride and joy of Malaysian tuners who can't afford a Civic. But it does have a Mitsubishi Land engine. So this car, for what it is and how cheap it is because it's made in Malaysia, bro, this thing actually slaps. But you can take a car up to the next notch. So now this is what happens when you take a Proton Vera and achieve something bigger, something, if I do say so myself, longer. So this was a custom, and of course has 6 doors, and it's a Proton Vera. Absolutely insane. But hey, it's here and it's here to stay. I just noticed, so when a car is sold in Malaysia, you get a plate number on the windshield, and bro, guess what? 1970, baby. This thing's still here. Wow. Truly was kept somewhere and never touched. I like it. Tucked away all the way at the back, I found an FDRX7. Alright, I thought I saw Land Cruisers, bro, but this was made in the 50s style with the lower and wide fenders. I love the attention to detail on this car. A skeleton arm for the side windows, for the side mirrors, and then bro, this is the best part I didn't notice. Who needs side lamps when you got pistons, bro? Piston side lamps, bro. Oh my god, this is cute. in a goth and way. No offense. When you think about drifting, you think about the S chassis, maybe Skylines, but hey, this is true Malaysian drift car, a Nissan Safiro. The new ones are front wheel drive, but the old ones are rear wheel drive. And the best thing about this car, it is RB powered, baby. And what is a true GDM drift car? No shift knob. It's a sword. And cool other accessories too. You know, modding your car is one thing, but keeping your RX-7 clean and stock is another thing, bro. Look at this: minimal mods, change wheels, lower the car a tiny bit, change the big wang, and bro, you're there. And if you don't know what car it is and you can't see it at the back, hey, just look at the plate, RX-7. Oh, tucked away all of the back, I found an FC RX-7. Bro, this thing is the father of the FD RX-7, which we all love. But this thing really does look good. And it's not that expensive compared to the FD right now, so hey, got a chance, right? You definitely need a Toyota Estima in your life. That's all I gotta say, man. This car is just a beast of a car. So yeah, Toyota Estima all the way. You see if these cars were big? Not expecting that long. Jesus Christ. It's not meant for Malaysia road. What the hell is this? I thought I saw a Supra. Oh wait. It's a BMW. I didn't know Italian people ate tofu. Now, if there's one car to describe you, Malaysian JDM muscle, this is it. 15225 wheels. Bloody hell, look at that. Those things are massive. And of course, this thing's insane, beautiful, and massive. Alright, big hype for two-door coupe R34. But can we talk about the four-door? The four-door R34s are up there, in my opinion, one of the best Skylines ever. After the Coaster, of course, but damn, I really like the four-door R34. It just looks so good. Play with the Z-Tune, bro, that looks nice. I guess a car straight out of Mad Max. Holy shit. The guy polished it up, primed it up, and did not care about paint. I like that. Neat engine bay as well. For a car looking like this. Wow. It's patina, bro. Original patina. Like that. Now this is a Corona. But you guessed it. A 1J baby. Damn. It's going to rip ass. My God, I don't know where he's taking this car, but bro, this guy has a snowboard on his car. What the fuck? Now this is interesting. The paint scheme on this 350 is like 2D. It's like someone drawn on it. It's just very interesting. I've not seen this before. So, that's a car. Now this is a jolly old orange Toyota MR2. Great car. Now this is a Toyota Corolla destined to be crushed. But bro, I like this guy. She left bananas for people. And the best part about this car, instead of going to die, and of course there's a giant hole in it, but hey, the door's gonna follow. This car is, oh my God. When people took a meme and made it into a car, this is what it is. Bro, here's a latch, and the lock is a toothbrush. My lord. Where? Oh my. Look at this thing. I gotta say, to the guy who drives this outside, hey, let's say you have more guts than I would ever have. Hey man, good for you. Good for you. Now this is a Del Sol, a Honda Del Sol. Very cute, and I think it goes by the beat as well. But well, such a cute car, very small. Yeah, not a big motorbike fan, but bro, this thing actually looks nice. I think it's a Yamaha something something something. But hey, it looks nice. It looks nice, yeah. Not a. This is a Volvo. Do I know what the hell am I looking at? Absolutely not. Alright, this thing looks like it's from the 40s. Damn, bro. Look at the wheels. Nothing changed. This is a Perdua Concho. But it's basically a rebadged mirror. So this guy really took it up to the next notch. These are a pair of Datsun 510s. These things were very popular to mod as well. And bro, they don't disappoint. See, this is a Proton Satriaggio. I wouldn't have been so interested in this car, but this guy seems to be very interested in the Monogatari series. And respect to him, like, oh, even has one of this translucent ones. That's interesting. You know, when you're a dad and you want to mod your car, bro. Hey, let's mod a family car, bro. Let's take it to the vans. So this is a Toyota Estima, which is very popular to mod like this. Lower the car, big boy wheels, and I don't know what screams 90s. Huh? In the antenna. That's interesting. Yeah. Same genre car. Purple. I thought I noticed an MR2, but oh boy, I was wrong. This thing is filled with MR2 with underglow too, which I always appreciate. Ooh, the other one's cool though. See a box of Skittles. Colorful. A Volvo 240. It's an interesting car. It was a great car for the 80s. It's not very fast. But who the hell cares about it when it's a wagon, bro? Fuck that shit. Put some big wheels on it, lower the car a tiny bit. Yeah, that's what it's at. Now this is an Evo I can get by. Nice rally spec, caged, and true rally indeed. Doesn't look like it actually went for a rally, but hey, it's all spec'd out for a rally day when it comes. Rika. This is a Nissan Leopard. 80s at its finest, bro. It's a 4-door rear-wheel drive Nissan Leopard. It's not very popular, but hey, it does have its charm. You're an old school fan? You're a collector? Show me your receipts. Oh, this guy took that meme to the next level. Look at this thing. Man, it was like 80s. I need to know everything, bro. I need to know every single word about those cars. Hey, yo, this guy is nice. I like this guy. Now this is a cute car. It's just cute, man. It's small, it has 4 doors. And after wide body it, everything looks actually pretty nice. Not gonna lie. This is Scala Sport. Yeah. Pretty cute, yeah. I find these vans really cool. And bro, wow. This thing does not disappoint. Of course, the tofu car, full wrap. The day has finally come. I have seen the mystery machine in person. This thing looks hella nice, bro. This is a Suzuki Super Carry. Cool minivan. Fucking love it, dude. So small. And a van. That makes it's really good. It's just really good. Wow. Daihatsu Mira. Look at this thing. God damn. I'm pretty sure this was a custom. But Jesus Christ. It's going all out. Yeah, even has lights. Wow. Such a cool car. 240Z. My dream chassis. I say that because I put a 12B in it and we can roll it. It's a dream chassis.
MC ada seorang